is Francis Osorio, and this is my presentation. From Bucaramanga and 300 kilometers from Bogotá. In Guadalupe, the winters are humid and it is comfortable, wet and cloudy all year long. It is undeniable that when you think in Guadalupe related to the main tourist site at the Quebrada Las Gachas, and you will find out it is because it is unique there. You can enjoy an unforgettable experience with family and friends. It is recommended to visit Guadalupe for at least 3 days and nights, in which you will have the opportunity to help to experience what Guadalupe has to offer and have a memorable vacation. In these 3 days, you can visit it with fun trips and accompanied by the Parroquia Nuestra Señora de Guadalupe with its architecture. If you want the full experience, don't forget to the Quebrada Las Gachas and some of the waterfalls such as el Salical, la Cachorrera, and la Piedra del Sapo. During your trip, you will avoid crowd to Guadalupe, then you can walk around the town, but if you prefer exercise, you will have the possibility to rent a bicycle and visit some place interest around Guadalupe. To do in Guadalupe, Santander is the Gachas stream. You will be delighted by its natural beauty and what you can to the town and its surroundings and see its architecture. And if you are a waterfall lover, don't leave Guadalupe without at least one of its magnificent waterfalls. Up donde Navarro Hostel, you can rent a room at a reasonable price. You can contract food at hostels or nearby. You will find delicious restaurants with typical food of Santa. Another recommended option is of Santa Barbara, if this one doesn't have a restaurant serving Wi-Fi during your stay. At your disposition different restaurants where you will avoid to enjoy the typical dishes of the gastronomy of Santander, such as Cairo, Victoria. The total cost of the package 2,000 Colombian pesos.